y'all, welcome to the Hey y'all, welcome to the tutorial. Yeah, here we go. Welcome to the tutorial. Yes, my hair is different. I don't know what was going on with me and those curls, those Shirley Temple curls that had me feeling like a little girl. They were cute and all, but maybe I should have plucked them out more because I was not feeling that. I wore them for like 2 or 3 days and then I installed my Passion Twist. Favorite, absolute favorite protective hairstyle for the last couple years. So I did another tutorial. So if you want to see that, I'll leave the link to that right here. So today we have a little running around to do. I guess I'm gonna take y'all with me. So we're gonna do some running around. Before we do that, my sister and my niece is here. I'm doing my niece's hair later on today, but right now I think we're gonna go downstairs and get our Starbucks on. Try to make a little coffee latte situation.
Hey, hey, it's Amia, Renee.
Oh yeah, you look cute. I didn't get a chance to look at you because I was tutorialing. Oh, that's cute. Like a little wig. It's real cute. Let me zoom in on the wig. It's like, no, that's her hair.
Giving, Diana Ross.
Okay. And Taylor, she got her little fro out and get ready to corn roll it and crochet some hair. You know, he is annoying. He got his black fro out.
Oh, me.
Freaking crybaby.
Come here.
All right, y'all, let's go ahead. Now, everything over here, let me turn this off. Excuse that mess, because I just finished doing my tutorial. I'll clean that later.
You're not getting comfortable. Relax.
I feel real cute today. I put a little outfit on. Wait a minute, let me show y'all my outfit real quick before I... So I have my little shirt on from H&M, little shoulder pads, like a half a shirt. And I got my sweatpants on, some Puma sweatpants from Costco's. I have some black ones too. And I think I'm gonna put on some... I don't know if I want to wear some tennis shoes. I don't know. I just feel real cute. It might be simple, but maybe because my hair done, I'm feeling real cute. And take a little picture later on. Alright, y'all. Let's go on downstairs. I feel like it's about to be a mess. We over here trying to make a latte. I don't know what we doing. So we put some vanilla almond milk, Starbucks pumpkin latte spice, some Starbucks vanilla syrup, some of this salted caramel, and some coffee decaf. Cheers! No cheers from you? Cheers. Okay. Oh, it came together good.
This is really good.
I like it. Like it.
I told you it's going to be one of the situations. You put everything in there. It's going to turn out good.
But it is Starbucks.
Yeah.
You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're
Mart.
You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow.
we're gonna eat when we get in the house from the H Mart. Kia got egg rolls in the H Mart that we're gonna eat when we get in the house. They are the best. Y'all got sauce and stuff too, right?
Yes, sir. Oh my goodness, Mimi, look at this.
What's that?
Chocolate chai latte.
Oh my god, is that
Like a
powder?
Yeah.
Oh, it's sweetened.
Ooh.
You just add some hot milk. Oh my gosh, you can have a hot.
Fire.
How much is this?
$5. Yeah. This might be the one right here.
What else? That's the only one they have over here?
Yep, it's the only. I would think they would have.
Oh wow.
But I don't know. But I mean, still probably be good.
Made it back in the house from the grocery store. I'm gonna show y'all real quick what we got. We went to Aldi's Giant and the H Mart. So we got some bread, biscuits. Got this from Aldi's. This is one of my favorite candles, gardenium. Some seasonings, eggs. This ham is for him. I think he's putting like eggs and ham sandwich in the morning. That my sissy poo got this for me, the chocolate chai latte. I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna put that right over here with the rest of the little chocolate situations. Briar's non-dairy ice cream, cookies and cream, made with real almond milk. Some coffee for him, some tea bags, yogurt, our favorite rice now. So from the H Mart, udon noodles. We're gonna make a stir fry tomorrow for dinner. So I'm gonna show y'all everything tomorrow, and that is pretty much it. I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat. Some egg rolls. My sister had got these from the H Mart. They are so freaking good. Just finished doing my niece's hair. Let me see, Taylor Pooh. Thank you. She got some crochet locks. She's getting her pictures taken at school. Let me see how you gonna smile, Taylor. Look at me. Let me see. How you gonna smile? That's how you gonna smile. So I just finished crocheting her hair. Let me see the pack of hair you got, babe. This is the hair that we used, if anybody is interested. Use 5 packs.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman to serve a good bang. This for the diamond, hand for the ring. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you all. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toe.
Hey y'all, I'm with my sister Kia.
Hey everybody.
So I just did my hair last night, and I have an extra pack of hair. And this hair is too expensive to just keep in the closet somewhere, so I'm taking it back to the store. It was $13, so don't mind my teeth. They look a little green. I just finished drinking my chlorophyll. I'm looking like, oh, why my teeth look like that? Just finished drinking my chlorophyll. But all right, let's go in this beauty supply store and I don't know, exchange.